Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through a rapid triage protocol to resolve the frustrating "message couldn't be delivered" error bouncing back into your Outlook inbox. This disruptive delivery failure typically stems from an overloaded local data profile rather than a permanent mail server collapse. To fix it instantly, you must first close Outlook completely, navigate directly into your Windows control panel, open the Mail Settings dialog, and select Data Files. From here, highlight your primary Outlook data file, click Settings, choose Compact Now to compress bloated space, and then launch the app in safe mode by holding the Control key while clicking the icon to instantly disable any corrupt third-party add-ins causing conflicts. Finally, enter your advanced account properties to verify your outgoing SMTP port settings match your provider's secure credentials exactly. Following these steps will immediately reset your network delivery pipeline. Subscribe the channel for more videos.